Good evening and a very warm welcome to today's Facebook Live, and I am sure that a lot of you are going to benefit from the video because a lot of you have been writing to me about hair loss. And yes, I have made a lot of videos on hair loss. In fact, one of my videos has organically reached 1000 views. So thank you for that. It's a very simple video talking about the reasons for hair loss, and I think everybody, before looking for a solution for hair loss, should find out what could be the reason for their hair loss. And the reason I think this is important is because 80% of solving a problem is understanding the problem. If without understanding the reason for your hair loss, you will be looking for a solution for that hair loss, you may not get the results you desire and you deserve. So go and have a look at that video. It is on my YouTube channel, and I am sure that it's just a 5-minute long video which will surely add value to you. And before asking you to do something, I think I will begin the right way with a huge thank you. Thank you for all my followers, thank you for all my well-wishers, my supporters, for sharing so many positive comments, for forwarding, for sharing my videos, and for helping me in my mission to make the world even more beautiful. Yes, most of you know that my mission is to make the world more beautiful, and you also know that I want that to be fun and easy. The journey to beauty and wellness can be fun and easy, and that is what I change that paradigm. I stretch your mind to a new belief that yes, the journey can be fun and easy through all my videos, through all my communication on social media and also offline. So, and the third thing is, I believe that awesome inside out is the right way to be. Unless you are healthy at a cellular level, unless you take responsibility of being the healthiest version of yourself, I think it is not possible to have long lasting results. It is not possible to have amazing skin and hair if you do not take the ownership, if you do not take the responsibility of being the healthiest version of yourself at a cellular level. And that is something I definitely want you to be always. Now telling you about the live series in 2020. I think 2020 was a year where I made a lot of videos. 2020 was a year for all of us where we had too much of energy. In fact, most of us were so frustrated with having to do things that were so non-productive. So I used all my energy, all the energy that I would get worried about, and I used that energy to make so many videos. In fact, I think in 2020, almost for 100 days at a stretch, I used to go live every single day, and most of these lives are still available on my Facebook. So the days of the lockdown, I've made a live every day. So if you like my share, if you like my communication, you could go back, Google those dates on Facebook and have a look at those lives. Some of them are really interesting, and the best lives that I think should go to many people, should reach to many people, I have taken a backup of those lives and I have put them on my YouTube channel. So you can go subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a look at all the knowledge I have shared. And this knowledge that I share and I will continue to share will be knowledge that is curated, knowledge that is proven by experience. Yes, I have learned a lot. I have, like all other doctors, studied a lot of moti kitabe, but 11 years of experience working with different kind of people, now one-to-one and even on the telephone and even on messages. So working with all different kind of people, I have had many breakthroughs and I have had many breakdowns. So all these shares come from the breakthroughs and breakdowns, because now I know for real what works and what doesn't really work, what are the places where people get overwhelmed, how to make people take action, how to make it fun and easy for them. And I am sharing all this knowledge right to you through Facebook and Instagram lives. So on Tuesday, I do an Instagram live at 9 o'clock. My handle is #ILoveSkinSense. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you must. because all year long I intend to do at least 3 lives every month, and in these lives I am definitely going to teach you something, and these lives have the potential, they definitely have the potential to be a game changer in your journey of beauty and wellness. I will definitely share every single time something that has helped so many men and women get incredible results, and maybe if that is exactly what you're looking for, you will also get incredible results by using that new learning that I share in my videos. So I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I request you to go to my Instagram page. Yes, all this is for you. You are extremely important, and only if you benefit and give me the feedback that you are benefiting from my shares will I get this energy to keep on sharing with you, to keep on curating content week after week, to schedule my days, to schedule my calendar, to schedule my time and my family's dinner time in such a way that I can be available for you at 9 o'clock and share something worthwhile. All this needs a lot of energy, all this needs a lot of planning, and all this energy and planning needs a lot of inspiration, and all my inspiration comes from you. It comes from your feedback. So I request you to keep sharing, to keep posting comments, and to be very generous with your feedback the way you have been, so that I feel all the more inspired and motivated to give you the best content that you could ever have access to, and make your journey to beauty and wellness fun and easy. So jumping to the topic of today, the topic of today is growing back new hair for both men and women. This will be applicable to men and women of any age. What I am going to be teaching you now, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process. I'm going to teach you how to take some action step that will ensure you grow new hair. Yes, this may not be good for somebody who's gone totally bald. I'm so sorry about this. So somebody who's gone totally bald, that person may not benefit from what I am going to be sharing in the next 10 minutes, because medicine has advanced a lot of very absolutely amazing things are happening in medicine, but still medicine cannot make dead alive. So what we talk in terms of hair regrowth is useful to people who have started losing hair, is useful to people who have lost a lot of hair, who have a lot of hair thinning, is useful to people who are almost going bald. Yes, it will be useful for them too, but it will not be useful in the areas where a person has lost the regeneration capacity of the follicles. If the hair follicles are dead, this therapy or no other therapy is going to work for you. Only a transplant is going to work for you. So I think it is necessary to bring up this topic, because a lot of people who are not going to grow new hair because they have waited too long, they haven't taken action at the same time, and now they have lost the regeneration capacity of their follicles. They are also getting carried away by tall claims that a lot of online sellers make, that a lot of online advertisements make, and they are purchasing a product that is not going to work for them, and they're getting frustrated and they feel that nothing works. So I want you to always ask the question, is this for me? You can ask a doctor this question before investing your time and before investing the money. It is definite to ask. It may be a brilliant product, it may be the most trending product. What I am showing you is a very trending medical therapy that you can do at home, and it has helped so many people, but yet you need to ask that question, that is it right for me, before you begin the therapy. Because if you have lost all your follicles, neither this therapy nor any other therapy except transplant is going to work for you. So now jumping right into the therapy, since a lot of people are watching and waiting for the therapy. So the name of the therapy is Derma Roller. So today I'm going to be telling you about the Derma Roller. Many of you would have heard about the Derma Roller before, but I am going to give you a step-by-step instruction on how you can use the Derma Roller at the comfort of your home. I'm going to answer all the questions that you may have about the Derma Roller, where to buy it from, how to choose the right Derma Roller, how to use the right Derma Roller, how to clean the Derma Roller, when to replace the Derma Roller. So these are all the questions answers to which you need to know, and I am going to be answering all of them. Yes, if there are any other questions that come to mind that I haven't answered during this live, you can write to me. I personally reply to all of you who write me medical questions on my personal messenger, who write me an email. You can go to my website and there is a form to fill where you can write me an email. So if there is anything that I have not answered in this live, I will answer that for you, because it's really important for me that what I share for you with you is whole and complete, and it empowers you to take action, and taking action you make a difference in your life. Because I know that when you are healthy at a cellular level, when your beauty and wellness quotient goes up, you feel really amazing. Having a better beauty and wellness quotient definitely makes you feel more confident, makes you feel more ready to take on the challenges of the world. And I would love to create a world where people can take on more and more challenges, because the more we go out of our comfort zone, the more we take newer challenges, the more we are going to be instrumental in creating a more beautiful world. And that is my vision, to create a more beautiful world by education, by inspiring, and by empowering you to be super confident and to take more challenges. So Vinita, I will not be answering any questions right in this live, because I have something to share, and that is important. You can send these questions to me on personal messenger, and it is a commitment that I will be answering these questions on personal messenger. But this live is about hair regrowth, and this live is about demonstration of a medical therapy which you can do at home, which is going to help you grow your hair. So now I'm going to demonstrate what I'm going to show you. This is called a derma roller. So I think it's visible to all of you. If my derma roller is visible to all of you, please give me a thumbs up. I'm sure it's visible, but I would like to see a thumbs up. So this instrument is called as a derma roller. Let me tell you a little about this instrument. So this is like it's got a stop, or it's got a handle which I can hold comfortably. It's a very lightweight instrument, and then it has a cylinder. All of you can see this cylinder. When you see this cylinder, you see so many needles on this cylinder. It has got 640 micro needles on the cylinder. I'm getting this really close to the camera. You are able to see the micro needles on the cylinder. It moves very, very easily. Okay, so this is about the derma roller. Now, what do we do with the derma roller? So when we talk about hair, so when we talk about even the layers of the skin, you would agree that there is an outer layer which we can see. Then there is a middle layer, and then there is an inner layer where blood touches that layer, where all the circulation touches that layer. But between the outer layer and the inner layer, there is a middle layer. So if you go back to school and college, where you learned about trees, germination, seeds, and a lot of other things, you did learn that there is something called as an ectoderm, which is an outer layer, an endoderm, which is an inner layer, and a mesoderm, which is a middle layer. So our hair follicles lie in the mesoderm, and we need to make sure that a product penetrates into the mesoderm if we are applying a proven very good product. But if we are applying that product in the ectoderm, that is the outer layer of the skin, it is going to give us limited results. But if we are able to penetrate that product into the mesoderm, which is just one layer just below the outer layer of the skin, that is where the roots lie. And if we are able to go to the root and nourish the root, we are going to get better results. Logical sense. So, you know, medicine is science, and science is a lot of logic. So as I tell you, you can make out the logic that yes. So now if I can create micro channels, if I can create small holes where I just open up the subcutaneous layer, if the small layer is opened up and I make sure that the active ingredients are able to reach where they are supposed to reach, if the active ingredients are able to reach the area of the hair follicles, because two things matter, and you would agree with me on that. One is the right ingredient being applied to the target area, and second is it reaching the area where it exactly has to reach. So if it does not reach that area, you're going to get limited results. But if you can reach that area, you will definitely be able to 2x or 3x that result. So I want to go just below the ectoderm into the mesoderm, which is called as just below the subcutaneous layer of the skin. So these tiny needles, which are like acupuncture needles, very, very tiny, very, very thin, very, very sharp, but they do not hurt. They open up the channels, they create micro channels, microscopic channels. No, they do not bleed unless you're very, very aggressive with them. If you're gentle and firm, there will be no bleeding. The channels will open up. You can apply the serum and the channels will close in like 20 to 40 minutes. The channels will be completely closed. So just to open up the channel, you can open up wherever you want new growth and start moving the roller. So this is how you move the roller. This is how easily it moves. And the roller needs to be moved in the cap area or the crown area. That is the area where the maximum regrowth is possible. That is the area where the maximum loss is happening. That is the area where the maximum circulation is. So what you do is you go to your area of the crown or where you wear a cap and you look at all the places where you're looking for new hair regrowth, and all those places you start moving the roller. So the roller can be moved 10 times here, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Diagonally 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this diagonally 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just showing you in the frontal area of my hair just to make it simple, but you can use it wherever you're looking for new hair growth. And if you use it in the right direction, your hair will not entangle in it. They are very, very small needles. You can see how comfortably I'm doing it. And if you are somebody who's already lost some hair, you will find it very, very easy to do. But yes, if it's a shiny, bald area, it is pretty useless to do it because you've been too late to take action. So this is how we will be moving the roller. Any questions on this? I think this is quite easy. This is quite logical. Since I am sharing the logic behind it, the science behind it, I don't think I have to teach you like a 1, 2, 3, 4 and make you by heart anything, because you have understood. We will kind of move it 8 to 10 times, up and down, side to side, diagonally and the other diagonally. So you make plus and then you make an X and then you move it all over the scalp. Do not do it too aggressively. Keep the pressure firm, but do not go too deep, because there is no advantage in going deep if you believe that only if I go deep I'm going to get the results. No, that's not true. All we need to go is up to the mesoderm. You need not poke too hard. If you poke too hard, you will get a drop of blood, a pinpoint drop of blood, which is also not such a bad thing, but you need not do it. Be gentle, firm. Do it regularly, do it all over the scalp. Make sure that you use some common sense to use it in a way that it doesn't entangle your hair. So thank you very much. So I'm glad that you are in sync with what I'm saying, and believe me, it may look a little freaky because I think most people are scared of needles, but most people know that acupuncture is something that happens so easily. It is not something that is really painful or bothers you too much. You can definitely try it. Now coming to, I told you how to use the derma roller. Now a few more things which I would like to tell you. A derma roller costs as little as 500 or 700 rupees. It's not a very expensive device. So investing in a derma roller is pocket friendly too, because yes, I definitely want to give you value for money options. I do not mind you spending money. I do not mind spending money myself, but it has to be value for money. It has to be justified. If I can offer you something where you can get incredible results spending a very little amount of money, why wouldn't I? And that is exactly what the derma roller can do for you. All you need to invest is 5 to 700 rupees. A derma roller has to be used by a single person only, because many times it may have some blood spots. It is not recommended to use a derma roller against different people. You will have to have your own derma roller. You can use it all over the scalp. You will use it only on the crown area, because that is where you make the maximum difference. The total time a derma roller can be used should be a maximum of 10 minutes. I would recommend only 5 to 7 minutes, because if you overdo it, you may feel very, very irritated. You may feel a lot of burning sensation, and it may be just a very irritating experience, which I definitely don't want. And overdoing anything does not get more results at all. I think everything has to be done with the right logic, in the way it has to be done. And how do you clean a derma roller? A derma roller can be cleaned very, very easily. You can clean it under running water, a lot of running water, or some kind of a shampoo water you can clean it under, or you can even clean it with the sanitizer spray. So all hospitals forever have been using this alcohol that you use in a hand sanitizer. It has been used in all hospitals for cleaning of their instruments, and now it's become something that's available in each and every home. So this kind of a nice alcohol spray, you can spray it because it will kill everything and it will kind of disinfect the instrument. So once you've finished with the derma roller, remember to clean it. Before you use the derma roller, remember to clean it. A very easy way can be to clean it with warm water or just under running water. When will you replace a derma roller? You will replace a derma roller once it goes blunt. So I would recommend that you should use this derma roller. If you are looking at a hair growth, you should use this derma roller 2 or 3 times in a week. And if you can use it on alternate day, or probably a Wednesday and a Sunday or something like that, I think even 2 times a week will give you great results. Approximately around 10 times of using the derma roller, you will realize that the needles are glowing blunt, and it's extremely annoying to use the derma roller. We do not want blunt needles. We want those sharp needles which can create nice micro channels into our scalp. So I want you to replace the derma roller in approximately 6 weeks of using it, or maybe even earlier if you feel that the experience is not a sharp jab but it's kind of dragging you. You can replace the derma roller after 8 to 10 uses. And you can use any kind of hair serum. So I do not want to endorse any hair serum here because the same product does not fit all. So I have got a face serum so that you don't get carried away and try and buy the same hair serum, because people, unfortunately, I've been giving so much knowledge and I've been saying one size doesn't fit all, but people get so carried away when they look at a product. So you can take a serum, a hair serum, and all hair serums, medicated brands have dropper in it and the serum in it. So the hair serum which is recommended ideally by a medical practitioner, I would recommend, because I think that knowledge is 80% of what makes a difference in most areas of life, definitely in the field of medicine. So if you know the right product for you and you take the recommended dose of that product and you apply the product after you have done the derma roller, and you just tap it, tap it, tap it, you will see incredible results, because a product that's already been working for you. If you have a prescribed product which has already been working for you, just combining the same step along with a derma roller is going to give you 2x results, because with forming micro channels and with taking responsibility that the product is reaching where the follicles lie, you are going to facilitate the absorption of the product, you are going to facilitate the action of the product. So that was about how to use the derma roller. I love making how-to videos because I have realized that mindset is the most important thing, which all over 2020 I made several videos about the mindset of health and wellness, the mindset of success, the mindset of relationships, and so many other things, because I think that's where it all begins. You may know how to do a particular thing, but unless your why is clear, unless your what is clear, I think the how doesn't make sense. But after making so many why and what videos, I think it's the right time to make how videos. And all of 2021 I am going to focus on how to do certain things to increase your beauty, increase your wellness, increase your immunity, increase a lot of things that are desirable to you. So thank you so much for listening to me. If you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, you must, because day after tomorrow, no, sorry, not day after tomorrow, on Tuesday, which is the 19th of January, I will be doing a face yoga series all over again. And the face yoga series is about how to reverse the aging around the eye, because everybody knows that aging begins around the eye, especially in us Asians. And the more you know what you can do at home, yes, I'm going to be talking about certain exercises you can do at home, certain massages you can do at home, which will reduce dark circles, which will reduce puffiness, which will reduce fine lines, which will reduce crow's feet. So there's a lot I'm going to be sharing on that 19th of January, 9 o'clock on Instagram. I love Skin Sense. I want you to be there. And in case you miss out on this wonderful series that I am doing, I generally try to record it and put it on YouTube so that it can reach a lot of people. So I am making it as comfortable as possible for you to consume this information, and the way I share the information, I am making it as convenient as possible for you to use the information. I want you to go out there, use the information, and once you take action for at least 6 weeks, because yes, when we are talking about the awesome inside out philosophy, it takes a little while. It's not a one time wonder. We're not talking about a chemical transformation or a short term transformation. We are talking about a cellular health. So it requires an investment of at least 6 weeks, but a 6-week investment, it's my personal promise to you that you will be happy you invested the 6 weeks into your own wellness, your own beauty, your own goals. Thank you so much for listening. Have an incredible evening and see you soon on Instagram on Tuesday, the 20th of January. And I am sure this is going to help a lot of people, especially if you're over 35 years of age. Please send me your feedback. Feel free to share this video. And if there are any more topics you would want me to talk about, I am just waiting for you. This is about you. So the more topics you suggest me, the more my energy levels go up and the more information that is amazing will come your way. Thanks once again.